For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Iotex, iotx, in the same way as other crypto projects that held such a lot of commitment in the past, encountered a downtrend in June 2022. As innovation advances lately, the need to make a convergence between the computerized world and the actual world increments. Notwithstanding, because of the exceptionally adaptable nature of innovation and the web, rivalry in this specific area increments. The fight becomes who can present and market preferred, generally speaking, over which undertaking can be more effective. That is the reason many accept that iotx's victories are simply promotion and that their utilization case isn't as flexible and very much integrated into the world they're attempting to address. We have gone through every one of the signs that could validate these declarations or misleading. Is iotx as advanced as they present to us, or is it won't make do over the long haul? Is it a wise speculation as long as possible? How substantial is their future guide, and what are the cost estimates for the token? What is Iotex, iotx, the coin for the machine economy? Iotex is the security-driven and decentralized blockchain network that is pushing the account of individual information control and democratization, gadget mechanization, and combination of the advanced organization, metaverse, and the actual world. They're constructing a framework that permits the connection of machines and market members while creating simpler and quicker techniques for protection, conservation, and front-running the coming of Blockchain 3.0. iotx, Internet of Things, is the local badge of the Iotex network that was made on the possibility of information security and control. One of the many issues of the web is that following of data is widespread, which numerous people view as a break of their security and control. Iotex is set to act as a stage that gives the clients a command over the inflow and surge of information from their gadgets. This implies that they're permitted to control what befalls their own data while profiting by it. The group behind the making of this innovation is profoundly gifted and adaptable in machine and canny learning, appropriated frameworks, gadget computerization, and designing. It was established by Roland Chai, Kevon Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. This is to demonstrate that albeit the components of the symbolic activity are intricate, the role-delegated proof-of-stake (POS) agreement instrument utilized by tokens like iota, VET, HNT, and so forth, that the group is capable to deal with the convention. Iotex, iotx, mechanism of operation. To comprehend the capability of iotx, one needs to know its method of activity and model construction. Notwithstanding, from most signs, iotx has all the earmarks of being a symbolic that is vigorously impacted essentially because of the multitude of exercises played by its driving group to keep up the energy in the task. The iotx token is based on a deflationary model, which implies that the stockpile of iotx will diminish over the long run as additional gadgets and more gadgets enter the organization. This implies the worth of iotx constantly increments as long as the interest for it stays predictable. 2 consume drops are shipped off iotx stakes as additional members join the environment. The primary consume drop was on the 3rd of November 2021. This movement prompted an immense siphon in the value level of iotx, which spiked over 100% in a day. The worth of the coin rose from $0.07817 to about $0.1650 that very day. This was the biggest siphon in the biological system since its beginning in 2018. Notwithstanding, after the cost top at that level, the cost spiraled downwards, losing around half before very long, and by February 2022, iotx was beneath its underlying cost level before the spike. Iotex, iotx, fundamental analysis. Throughout the long term, iotx has made numerous organizations and declarations which spiked the worth of the token. A portion of these occasions are, Iotex, iotx, raised a $100 million store for biological system improvement, declared another NFT, and delivered a new mainnet on March 21, 2021. The Wallet Today 2.0, a block of framework made to interface with Ethereum, BSC, and Heco blockchains, went multi-chain. On March 31, 2021, the cost level expanded by 53% at these declarations. On November 1, 2021, Iotex declared the Pebble Tracker gadget, a high-level gadget that goes about as GPS upheld by a decentralized organization which is the Iotex organization, had finished last testing and was prepared for sending off. This gadget is supposed to be delicate to climate and environment changes like moistness level, temperature, vehicle speed increase, and so on. Iotex banded together with Chainlink, Link, a crypto environment that utilizes true information while giving on-chain arrangements, for a blockchain conversation zero to non-web protection and the chance of cooperation on November 3, 2021. Iotex, IOTX, current price. Iotex is as of now worth $0.031241 Iotex has moved minus 10.76% as of now with an exchanging volume of $21,890,308. Iotex is as of now positioned 109 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $300,459,183. Iotex, IOTX, price prediction 2022. Iotex, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Iotx. The Iotex cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.046862. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.043738 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Iotex is supposed to have a base worth of $0.037490. Iotex, IOTX, price prediction 2023 and 2023. Iotex cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Iotex will before long outperform $0.078103. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Iotex's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Iotex will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.062483 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.068731. Iotex, IOTX, price prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.109345 and Iotex might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the